Here I will show how to use change owner. Okay, change owner, it means okay, at first try to understand. I am using two terminal. One is root, left side root, and right side the user. I am using two terminal. Try to understand left side and right side. Left side root and right side Mahim. Okay. Now root, I am going to create a file, touch test. This is the file I created. Now let's create a ls longest test. See here that this file is created and it is user. Root is the user. Okay, and this is the group. Okay, both are root, but you have to understand root. Now come here and check here ls -l test. So it also showing same thing, but this is file and root is the user. Okay. Now Mahim want to delete it. Remove test. Okay, type yes, and it is saying permission denied. Okay. Now if you want to, here you see it has a read and write permission, no execute permission. Now if I want to write something, let's say echo hello test. You see permission denied, because this is owner is the root. Root is the owner of this file, not the Mahim. That's why it cannot do anything in this file. User cannot do anything. Okay, you cannot write, you cannot read. Cat test, you cannot read. No. Now I'm going to change the ownership. CHOWN, I'm going to change to Mahim and test. Then ls-l test. See here, now it is Mahim is the owner. Now here, when Mahim is the owner, we can say Mahim is the owner. Now if you want to remove, delete, you can delete. If you want to write something, echo hi test. You can also cat, you can read, you can write, down write, you can read. Now here is the command X. There is no execute permission. Okay. Now if you want to execute, you have to give it the permission execute. Okay, that is not important. Now just try to understand root. Only root can change the permission. Now here ls-l test. Okay, here is the Mahim. Now I'm going to again change the permission. CHOW and change owner root and test. Okay, now check. Again it is root. When it is root, now try to edit something. Let's say echo. I'm learning CHOWN. Okay. Test. Permission denied, because it is no longer belongs to Mahim. It is again to the root. So when it is root, we need the root permission, so we cannot do anything. Okay. So main thing you have to understand how to change the ownership. Okay, owner. ls-l test. So here you see the root. So you have many user, you can grant permission. CHOWN change owner, and whom you want to give permission? Mahim. Okay, and filename. Is it clear? Now Mahim has the permission and Mahim cannot delete the file. Okay. ls-l test. Try to delete RM test. No, you cannot delete. You cannot delete. Okay. You still need the permission to delete. You can read and write. You can only read and write. These two things you can do. This permission means Mahim can do this thing. Okay. Only root can delete. Anyway, main thing here you have to understand how to change the ownership. Okay. This is called CHOWN. And who you want to grant permission, you have to name that user name and where. file, this is the file. Okay. Alright, mine is the permission. This is how to use chown. Is it clear? Thank you.